Carbon-14, an adventure into the past.
Carbon-14 is an isotope of the element carbon. In carbon-14 there are a total of 8 neutrons compared to the 6 neutrons normally found in carbon. It has the same number of protons and electrons as carbon does, but has a mass of 14 AMUs. Carbon-14 is a naturally occurring isotope that can also be produced in a nuclear reactor. 14C is constantly being produced in the lower stratosphere and the upper troposphere by cosmic rays, which generate neutrons that create 14C when they strike nitrogen-14. Carbon-14 has a half-life of 5,730 years. It goes through a radioactive beta decay by emitting an electron and an electron antineutrino. One of the neutrons in the carbon-14 atoms decay to a proton, and the carbon-14's decay into a stable, non-radioactive isotope is nitrogen-14. Other than the fact that carbon-14 is radioactive and its mass is 14 AMU compared to 12 AMU, carbon-14 doesn't differ too much from regular old carbon. The radioactive decay of carbon-14 is used for carbon dating. No! Not that kind of carbon dating. Carbon dating is a process which estimates the age of organic materials such as leather and wood up to 62,000 years into the past. Scientists can do this because there is a constant proportion of carbon-12 to carbon-14 in an organism when it dies. Because carbon-14 decays at a constant rate, the amount of carbon-14 can't be replenished. The ratio of carbon-14 to carbon-12 helps us to estimate the age of organic objects.